I received a really good question today from somebody who's frustrated. They're frustrated with lack of weight loss success. They're frustrated with the difficulty of staying motivated all the time to keep trying and trying again. And it reminded me that I've never really talked about what's normal with age in terms of body weight. Lots of studies have looked at this. There was one published a couple of years ago by Dutton et al. And they followed 5,100 men and women from 1985-86 to 2010-2011. And they measured their weight and their height in their late teens and early 20s and the 80s. And then they measured everything again in 2010-2011 when they were in their 40s. Guess what happened? On average, the men and women gained anywhere from 30 to 45 pounds after 25 years. And you might think, oh my gosh, that's a lot of weight. But if you look at other studies published, this isn't new. We know that it's actually normal to expect at a population level for people to gain weight. The trend is that weight comes on with age, especially in our earlier years. So in your 20s and your 30s, it comes on fast and it tends to taper off a little bit later. But the message is, a realistic goal may simply be to not change with age. Now we know that there's a lot of benefits with weight loss for a lot of conditions, diabetes, osteoarthritis, you name it. However, for some people, a realistic initial weight loss goal may simply be to not gain weight with age. And it still may require a lot of hard work and effort. Meal planning, potentially tracking your food, tracking your calories, regular exercise to keep the weight off in the long term. But realistically, step number one may simply be to not change. And if you look at populations, that would still be abnormal to not gain a significant amount of weight with age. So stay motivated, keep your goals realistic, and be proud of yourself if you simply just don't gain any weight with age. Great questions, keep them coming.